Having had the opportunity to interview some of the teachers that are leaving and took opportunities for overseas employment, the issues that they highlighted include: one, the inability to experience a reasonable quality of life on a teacher's salary, and the unlikely attainment of desirables such as housing and cars. The system's limited resources, which handicaps their ability to successfully educate their students. The relatively limited growth potential in teaching profession. The deplorable conditions of work within the schools. And finally, the social disregard for the efforts of teachers despite their challenges. Having met with these individuals, the People's National Party reiterates the following proposals, many of which were campaign commitments in the last manifesto. 1. Immediately invest in the upgrading of staff rooms to create an adequate and comfortable environment of teachers to work from. 2. Consider motor vehicle concessions of varying percentages for teachers serving 5 years, 10 years, and 15 years, unbroken. 3. Reduce student loan by 5% for every year the teacher stays within the public education system. 4. Arrange for special teachers limit of approximately $14 million per person from the NHT with a 1% interest rate, which transforms to the normal loan once the teacher leaves the system. 5. Negotiate package deals with telecom communication providers for teachers to receive internet free of cost as a necessary tools of trade in this information age. 6. Create teacher/public sector housing schemes with rent control strategies in desirable communities that could be facilitated by the HAJ. 7. Review the funds being allocated for a STEM school for students to a STEM school for teachers, just training the trainers. 8. Hold further negotiations with private sector practitioners to offer teachers adequate discounts. 9. Reduce the red tape for principals to fill temporary spots in the short term with retired and pre-trained teachers. 10. Negotiate with the private sector to allow staff so inclined to take 2 3-hour sessions to practice or participate in teaching courses that are in shortage. 11. Offer teaching training free of cost during the summer months for all university students, and welcome others with degrees and diplomas who may be willing to consider teaching at some point in the future. 12. Recruit retired teachers in the role of mentorship to assist less experienced teachers. We believe that this will assist in the immediate mitigation of the current problems being faced by principals to recruit teachers, but also it will assist in ensuring that Jamaica remains more competitive when teachers are being recruited for all spots in this world.